Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel PM Professionals. In this video, we'll be talking about another pre-certification, which is Project Management Essential Certification from MSI, Management and Strategy Institute. So if you like this video, click on the like button, and to know more about project management and free certifications, please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. During this COVID-19 period, MSI is extending its support in providing Project Management Essential Certification completely free of cost. This certification is designed exclusively for the Management and Strategy Institute, which will provide you with the basic understanding of project management principles. This certification course includes the study material and online examination as well. This innovative certification is specially designed for individuals with no prior knowledge or experience into project management. Basically, for the people who want to start their career in project management. So before we start, let's understand or have a glance to know what is a project. A project is a temporary interior designed to produce a unique product, service, or a result. Project managers have the responsibility of planning and proper execution of a project from start to end. And there are 5 major stages of a project management: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and closing. By this certification, you will be able to understand why some projects fail while others are successful. So let's move on. So here we are. This is the official link of MSI website. So I will click on this, and this will redirect me to this page, wherein at the right side, if you see, they have all the listed courses, wherein you have to click on the view all professional certifications. Scroll down, wherein you will be able to find Project Management Essential Certification free. You need to click on this. Just have a glance here, wherein it is mentioned that why the certification is what the certification is all about, why the certification is essential, and how helpful the certification will be. Click on this enroll now if you're a first time user for this website. You need to click on this dashboard. This course is added in your dashboard. Click on here. Now if you see the content of this course, there are 6 sections of this course. So the first one is Introduction Exam Ethical Agreement, wherein there is all the policy and terms of service. So before you start the exam, just go through this in detail. Once you're through with this, go ahead, click on the next module. As I have already completed the second phase, second section, I need to relaunch here, but yes, you can see the link for the second section, relaunch. Herein, there are a couple of informations available. You can see the slide wise.
Hello, and
just click here and download the resources. So let's go through the resource, wherein it tells you about what is a course all about, what is a project, what is the definition of a project, and how project fails. There is a quiz also, you need to go through this, and how the project failed, and the details of pointers, poor scheduling, business case, why communication doesn't work sometimes and the project fails. So just understand this all about. The next topic is, which is very important and essential, the stages of managing a project, the 5 major essential stages. So these are the 5 essential stages of a project management life cycle. You can just go through this all about once before the examination, and it has explained very well each stages of project management life cycle. Okay, so moving on, the next resources, click on the PMEC flashcards. So wherein there are some sample question and answer which was really helpful for me when I gave the exams. It was really helpful. So just have a look on these question and answers before you attempt for exam. Just scroll down, have a look, have a glance. Okay, so once you're through with both the resources, click on this close icon to close this window and go to the main page. Here we are. So the next section is Introduction to the Final Exam. So here, as I have already attempted the exam and I already have the certification, I am not getting that icon. However, you guys will be able to see the icon to start the exam. So once you complete your exam, there will be 15 questions and you have to correctly attempt 13 questions to clear this exam. 87% passing marks are required. Here is the certification will look like. So yeah, that's it. You got your certificate. So yes, today we discussed about free project management essential certification from MSI. Hope this was helpful for you guys. And yep, so if you like this video, click on the like button, and to know more about project management and free certifications, please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.